when I look at generative AI, I normally start by saying it is absolutely the most transformative technology that we're going to see in our lifetimes. I do sometimes caveat that with saying, unless we crack quantum computing any point soon. But for now, generative AI. Why? Because the democratization effect of generative AI is just profound. It means it creates an access point into very complicated digital services, and that access point is natural language or written text. It's the most simplest way that we communicate as human beings. A machine will understand or try its best to understand what we want it to do, and it will connect to all those complex databases and systems or create automations and reason over information and come back and provide us more rich information and additional context. I think that's incredibly powerful. So the value is clear, and the organizations I speak to are crystal clear. They're now going through the detail of, well, what does that mean from a risk perspective? What are the new risks? What new governance do I need in my business to make sure we're mitigating those risks effectively? How can I ingrain this into critical business processes and make sure the right guardrails around data privacy and all those sort of good things are put in place? And there's a whole new set of sort of principles and business workflows that engineers and developers in an organization will need to follow. And at the time, they just didn't exist. And that's when I came across Great Wave. The ambition of the organization to put those controls, put that transparency in place over foundation models that have essentially become commodities being delivered by big tech companies like Microsoft, and of course a lot of others.